Guys, this is Vaibhav and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'm very excited because finally I bring it my dream phone. This is iPhone 13 and today we are unboxing this particular device. So let's start our video. So this is the box. Along with the box I have bring it the few accessories. Like this is a smart case along with this particular box. And this is the screen guard that I have already been applied to this particular mobile. So let's open the box first and let's see what is in the box itself. So this is the device. Let's keep this aside. Also we can check what are the different accessories we can get in the box itself. So as usual in every Apple device, the Apple given as a few documentation, like these are the few documentation. Okay, this is the SIM ejector pin, these are the Apple sticker and few documentation. You can find it in the box itself. Along with this you will get it the lightning C cable that you can get it in the box itself. So let's keep this aside and we can check how the devices look alike. So this is the very impressive sound, satisfactory sound. So thing is that this is the device. Just look at, I have bring it the red color. This is a product red. So you can get it from the I'll get it from the Apple store itself, and the few amount of charity has been already been donated indirectly from your hand. So just overall feel of this particular device, just look at, it's a 6.1 inches screen. See the camera is looking like a diagonal shape. If you see the any Apple device like Apple 12 and Apple 11, the camera is in a vertical shape, it is in a diagonal. Also the lens is also increases. So these are the few changes. Similarly, if you see on the front side, the size of the notch which reduce little bit. So it makes a few difference in the Apple device. On the back, on the side, you have saw this is a aluminum frame. On the side you can see this is the aluminum frame, right? And if you see the bottom, look at the ports and button. This is your type C port and this is a speaker grill. You will find the speaker grill. On the upper side, these are the few antenna bands you can find it. This is a volume, this is on off key. On the left side you will see this is a volume rocker up and down. This is a SIM slot where you can put only one nano SIM. The most surprising part in this particular Apple 13 device is you can put two eSIM. In every Apple device there is only one provision that you can put one nano SIM and one eSIM, but in this device you can put a two eSIM. And this is volume up and this is the key where you can put as a silent, vibrate. So this is the alert slider basically you can see in the Apple device. As per see the camera module, we have saw two camera, like this is the ultra wide and this is rear camera, 12 megapixel camera you can find on the back. So the lens also is increasing. This is a flash, camera flash. On the front side you will find again the 12 megapixel front camera. But just one disappointment about this Apple 13, if they have given the ultra means a refresh rate, it could be around 120 hertz. If they given that, then would be beneficial for us. But still in the Apple 13 also they have given the refresh rate as a 60 hertz. But as you see, the smoothness of this particular device is good. So now I'm going to set this device. Just go to that setting. I'm signing now. Connect to the internet to sign your iPhone. Okay. So before that we have to put Yeah, connect to the internet. Go to the Wi-Fi. I have connected the Wi-Fi, but let's see it is connected or not. So you go to the mobile data. So let's set the Face ID first. Go to here. Yeah, so this is the Face ID. Click on the Face ID. So now phone asking about the Face ID. How to set up the Face ID? Just click on the Get Started. Here I can move my face from round. Face ID first scan has been completed. Click on the Continue. See, the second Face ID scan is also completed. Now done. Enter the passcode that you have used for Face ID is not available. Oh yeah, so I can put the password just for a few seconds. Yeah, so my passcode is also set. So now just here we can sign in our phone, but still the SIM card is not ejected here, so that's why it won't allow us to sign up this phone. Just look at the overall structure and overall performance as per this particular device. This device comes with A15 Bionic chipset, so it's a very fast chipset compared to the all rest of the iPhone. And similarly, the speed of this particular A15 Bionic chipset is tremendously awesome. So there is another part. Also, this iPhone 13 comes with the 300 and 110 battery backup, and also Apple claimed that the iPhone 13 has providing 2.5 hours, means 2.5 hours of screen play timing compared to the any other iPhone 12 or any other iPhone 11. So basically it's comes with the impressive and the performance based kind of a feature, and it's a power pack device. It's a compact device. I would say that it's a 6.1 inch screen. It looks like a very killer and classy device. You can see in iPhone 13 there are a multiple color, but I have bring it only red. So personally I like this color. So this is all about this particular iPhone 13 features. We come up with the gaming experience very shortly. So thanks for watching my video. Do like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel, and I will given the purchase link in my comment box, where you can apply the several card discount and you will get it this device in 71 or 74,000. So mention in the comment box whether you are liking this unboxing video. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.